Welcome to another recipes video! Today we're making homemade Boston Market rotisserie chicken in this quick and easy copycat recipe. To start off, in a small bowl, mix the apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, brown sugar, and garlic. Whisk them together to combine. Place the chicken in a large glass bowl and pour the mixture over it. Slather your chicken with a marinade to coat it well. Cover the bowl with a cling film and let it marinate in the fridge overnight. On the next day, remove the cover and flip the chicken over to marinate the other side. Let it marinate for at least 4 more hours before cooking. Take it out of the fridge and leave at room temperature for 20 minutes. Set the chicken in a roasting pan. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the chicken for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Serve it with coleslaw, focaccia bread, and ranch dressing, and you're all set! This oven-roasted chicken will surely be a regular at your table. If you love making our Boston Market rotisserie chicken recipe, show us a photo and tell us what you think by leaving a comment down below. Hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy homemade recipes you will surely love. Thanks for watching, and see you on our next recipe!